I'm Rosanna and today I'm filming my room tour, so I should get started. And here is the back of my door. I have a back of the door hooks, oh my goodness. I have my hats and my backpacks. I only keep my favorite bags here, which is mainly my mini backpacks because I really like backpacks. Next to here I've got a wire frame. I keep my photos on there. Most of them are with my friend Lori, and there's a lot of photo strips that I've taken with my school friends because my school likes to do them. I'm gonna have to blur some stuff out because that's my school on it. Below there I have a mini shelf. When I bought it, I saw how it was like really small and I'm like, oh my god, this would fit so perfectly here, and it did perfectly. I also saw I had a little bar underneath, and I knew right away this would work perfectly here for me to put my sunglasses on, and I could just grab them and then run out the door, which was great. And next to it I have my closet. It looks super messy, but it's not as messy as you think. I think it's just mainly the top part here just looks really messy, but it's organized. I have my winter stuff out right now, as you can see, with my fur coat and my sweaters and stuff. That's because it's winter right now. Well, actually it's spring right now, but it's freezing because I'm from Toronto. So yeah, that's my closet. I keep my main stuff here, and then over on the other side I keep my dresses, yeah, actually all of these are dresses, actually. Dresses and skirts, because I know I have to hang them up, so even though it's not in season, I have to keep them hung up. And then next to my closet, I've got a little corner here, and obviously it's great to have a full-length mirror next to your closet. This one is from IKEA. It's the light wood one, and I wanted this one so badly. My parents did not like it. I loved it. Like, you could take so many great selfies here. It's a really huge mirror, especially because I have a pretty small room, so yeah, but it works in this corner. Next to my mirror, I have a little basket, my swell bottle, and then I have my yellow Kanken backpack because, of course, like, ooh, aesthetics and stuff. Yeah, of course I have one. Next to my mirror above here, I have a bulletin board. I keep my photos, my photo strips here, and then just a bunch of Polaroids on there. This one's my favorite Polaroid. This one was me when me and Lori went to the pumpkin patch. Yes, this is me shopping. This is my first Polaroid, actually. Me and my best friend Mariah, and then my grandparents here, me and my other best friend Lori at the music banquet. I love that photo. Down here I have a light box. I put I Can and I Will Watch Me on it. I don't know what else to change it to. If you have any suggestions on what I can change it to, you can tell me. I do really like this quote, but I want to change it around every once in a while. Over here I have a jewelry stand thing from Umbra. My sister's boyfriend gave it to me. I have all of my chokers on here because that's actually all I wear. I don't really wear other necklaces. I have a little ring holder down here, cute little like bunny rabbit, my rings on there. And then behind that I have all of my books, and I have my Harry Potter series there, of Narnia and all that stuff. I haven't read every book here, but yeah. And then just above my books I have all of my albums. Oh my goodness, oh my god, I thought that was a fly, Jesus. Okay, I have all of my albums here. As you can see, I have the Harry Styles album. I am a huge fan. And over here I've got One Direction. Basically every single one of these is One Direction, or it's their solo albums, so only 2 of them have a solo album, Harry and then bottom there's Niall. And I have one Taylor Swift CD from like years ago. And then behind my mirror I have my magazines. I have nowhere to put them. My room's just not big enough to have spaces for it. I'm thinking about getting a magazine holder, but yeah, I just have those. And I have my Harry Rolling Stone magazine here. I'm looking good. I love my boy. And then next to it I have my bunk bed. Yeah, it's just me in this room, but it's nice for me to like move, especially when it's colder. You know, heat rises, so sometimes I sleep at the top bunk, but it's nice to have like for sleepovers and stuff. At the top bunk here I have a white bed sheet. This one's from IKEA, and then this crochet blanket is from the thrift store. And yeah, just above my bed there I have a wooden sign that says City of Angels on it. I DIY'd it years and years ago. It's supposed to look like the Brandy Melville one. I hope it turned out, it's okay. And obviously you can see I have a red tapestry. I've wanted a red tapestry for a really long time, and I got one sort of recently. Just looks like that. It's from Urban Outfitters, if you're wondering, and I got it when it was on sale. Yep. My bottom bunk here, I've got my tapestry again, and obviously I have fairy lights, and I have the little wooden clothespins because before I was hanging up my my sister's roses so that I could dry them up and use them as decor. And then I've got this gorgeous white with wildflower blanket and pillow set. It's also from IKEA. I'm sure you've seen this like everywhere. And underneath my bed, oh, it looks so messy. I've got all of my electronics. I recently started doing this because my electronics thing was just like too small before. I used this like One Direction perfume box to put my electronics, but it got too much, so I had to get a bigger one. So yeah, now I have 2 electronics boxes. Next to my bed, I've got a white fur rug. This is from Costco. And then let's go to the windowsill. I've got some giant windows. I love it. It's great for lighting, great for filming, but it is not great in the morning when it's like burning hot. Like anyone with big windows will get this. It's burning hot. And then when it's winter, it's freezing cold. So yeah. I've just got more books here. These are more of my favorites. I've not read every single one here, but hopefully soon I will. Schoolwork's getting in the way. I've got a dead plant here. I tried my best. I overwatered it. It's hard. The only plant I know how to actually grow is my aloe plant, but my friend recently gave this to me, which is why there's no dirt yet. She just gave it to me, so I will plant that, and then I'll have a giant plant. Next to there, I've got a white lantern. I think I got this from the dollar store, and then I just painted it white so it would fit my room. And then next to that, I've got a dark wood shelf thing, and then I've got some black cube square felt things. Yeah, I don't know what they're called. It's just so it would look more organized, but as you can see, it's pretty messy in here. I have my school stuff, some stationery, and then my perfume, lotions, my makeup removers there. This one's my giant snack drawer. There is a lot in here. I love it. And then down here, I keep all of my school stuff and my sketchbooks, just anything like paper related. I got my ukulele, and her name is Yuki, so yes. I've got my Instax Mini 8 box thing. I don't know why I keep boxes. Does anyone else do that? I don't know why. I actually just keep my memories in there, so anytime I do anything, I go to the movies, a concert, something like that, I'll put it all in there. So I've had memories there for like maybe past 3 years. I'm not too sure. Over here I've got a plant terrarium my mom made for me. It's super cute. Got a little house there. A little Shrek plant there. Yep. And a little cactus. I got my candle, and yeah. Above there, I have, if it will focus, I have my photo wall. I DIY'd. I got 4 cork boards, and then I just cut it so it will fit in there. And then I just got my favorite photos and stuff, and I put it there. Some of them I printed at Walmart, not the best printing. And then I've got a Gucci perfume ad thing, but it's so pretty I had to put it up. These were printed out at Walmart as well. This was a really pretty drawing I found in the library, and I had to take it and put it there. This is from the back of a One Direction album. And then over here, I've got a One Direction photo. It's OT5. That means 1 through 5. It's all 5 of them. I will always love all 5 of them, so I have to keep at least like 1 photo of all 5 of them up. And it's this one right here. I used to have a giant OT5 poster next to my mirror, but I had to take that one down because I wanted to put my corkboard up, so I put one up here, and I feel like it goes well with my room, so it's perfect. Above there I have the back of the Harry Styles solo album, and down here I have a photo of Harry. Super cute with his deep dimples. So beautiful. Yeah. And then over here I have my desk. Just ignore down there. It looks bad. I will get a trash can soon. Yeah, I separate my recycling and my trash because it's good to do that. Everybody should do that. Over here is my desk. And I have a black faux leather chair. It's got no like hand rest thing. I wish it did. Yeah, so let's start with my desk. Above my desk I have this DIY wooden photo clothespin thing. Yeah, okay. I DIY'd this thing. I don't know what to call it. My mom stuck some more Polaroids there, but it's me with my grandparents there. And that's me and Lori at the pumpkin patch. This was a Polaroid I took years ago when I was really young. And I found it again. And I was like, whoa, that's so cool. And I printed out some. So yeah. And then over here I've got my lamp, which is kind of broken. I need to get a new one. As you can see, it's like really broken. I have my mirror for doing my makeup. Hello. Got some face lotion. My cute little cactus plant with a bunch of baby plants. I've got this really cute candle holder that Lori gave me. I've got another candle, which Lori also gave me. And this is the Tower to Heaven. My mom put it here because it's like good luck for school and stuff, because she thought I was doing bad. But it worked. Suddenly I'm doing really well, like really, really well. So, you know, maybe it's helping. I have just like a jar full of random stuff, like really random. I have an eraser, how's my battery dying again? Oh my god. And I have a fortune cookie paper here. Like, clearly this is random, but look at this fortune cookie paper. It says you were born to lead the world. Like, I had to keep this. This was so funny to me, and like the smiley faces. Yeah, so this is like a random thing. I have a jar full of my seashells and stuff. I did not collect the star but fish, but I did collect that one there. Over here I've got a glass and metal jar thing. I just keep my favorite earrings here, which is like, look how crazy these are though. I've been loving hoops recently, so I have that, and I have these little terrarium things that I have like a really small cactus in there. I'm gonna fix these up soon so I can hang them up. I've got a peppermint candle that one of my best friends, Mariah, gave to me because I love peppermint, and this fits my room. My favorite stuffed animal, because everyone has that one stuffed animal that's their favorite. That's 𝙀𝙀𝘖. Yeah, when I was younger, I added E at the end of everything, so yeah, 𝙀𝙀𝘖. Over here, I have a little, like, looks like a little milk jug, which I pin, like, my one of my favorite Polaroids onto here. This was when I went to Quebec, and inside of there, you cannot see it, but there is a little plant that's growing because I propagated it. And then over here, I've got a glass house looking thing. It looks similar to the IKEA one, and I put some fairy lights in there, so that's cool. I got this from the thrift store. I got my white Polaroid here, and I have a bird cage, little mini bird cage, which I keep a cactus plant in there. And of course I got a crystal. I've been noticing people are getting into crystals lately, but it's just cute. And another cactus plant with little mini colorful cactus plants. Then over here I've got my makeup drawer. So I just keep my foundation, my bronzer, stuff like that. Eyeshadows behind there. My brushes and my lip products are here. This is just primer and my sponge, chapstick, and then I've got my eyebrow products, my blush, eyeliner, eyeshadow. It's very, very messy. But believe it or not, these are my everyday products and all of my lip products. Down there I've got my tripod, garbage, recycle? No, recycle, and this one's garbage. I ordered a garbage can though, so it's coming soon. And then over here I've got my little cactus hanger. This one's also from Umbra. My sister's boyfriend also gave this to me. It's really cute. It just looks like little cactuses. You're supposed to put like keys and like your clothes and stuff on there, but I just use it as room decor, and I put a little dream catcher thing there. And then I have a painting of the Great Wave off Kanagawa. I don't know if I pronounced it right, but it's my favorite painting, and I didn't print one out. I don't know why. I decided to paint one like years ago, and it's okay. It's good enough to be put up, but I wish I was better, you know. But that's as best as it gets. And then over here at the end of my room, I have a DIY frame thing where I put my photos, me and Lori on New Year's. It's 2017. Tell me if you get that. It's a Harry Styles reference, but yeah, me and my very cute friend. And this is me and my coworkers and my friends when we were working at the Santa Claus thing, because I was like taking pictures for Santa Claus and stuff. Yeah. Over here is the other photo from back there next to my mirror. I printed a mini version to put here, and yeah. Oh, here is the only like photo strip I have with me and my friend Mariah. And then down here I've got like a bunch of money, because I just grab it and go. But if anyone ever robs me, you know, they can just grab the money and just run. So it's good and it's bad. Or if anyone in my house wants to steal money, they can also do that, and I wouldn't even know. And then down there I've got a JazzPort backpack, which I don't really use right now, but it's like when I need a backpack and that one's filled, I'll use this one. So yeah, that is the end of my room tour. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope I wasn't too boring. I filmed this like 50 times, so I'm like really praying this one's good. So thank you for watching, and bye!